How to fix the parameter is incorrect error in Windows 11. The error message, "The parameter is incorrect," usually means a system function failed because of a wrong or unexpected input. You'll often see it during file transfers, when using external drives, or changing user settings. In this video, we'll show you the main ways to solve it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Run CHKDSK on the affected drive. This method fixes disk errors or issues from drives that weren't safely removed. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type this command and replace X with your drive letter. CHKDSK X:/F/R. Restart your computer if asked. The /F option fixes file system errors, and /R finds and repairs bad sectors. Method 2. Run SFC and DISM to repair system files. Running SFC and DISM helps fix system errors caused by corrupted Windows files. SFC scans and replaces damaged or missing files, while DISM repairs the system image used by SFC. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run these commands one at a time. SFC/scannow, DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Restart your PC when done. Method 3. Update or reinstall device drivers. Updating or reinstalling device drivers can fix communication issues between Windows and your hardware, especially for USB devices, printers, or storage drives. This helps the system send and read commands correctly and resolves bugs or incompatibility problems. Open Device Manager. Click the arrow next to a category to expand it. Right-click a device and select Update Driver. If you're not sure which driver caused the parameter is incorrect error, try updating all of them. Note what triggered the error so you can identify it faster next time. Method 4. Fix parameter error during file copy. This step helps fix errors caused by long file names or paths that Windows Explorer can't handle. If the error appears while copying files, keep these points in mind. Keep the file path under 260 characters and avoid using special characters in names. If File Explorer gives you an error, try using Robocopy, a command line tool that handles long paths and complex copies. Robocopy C:\source folder D:\target folder /E. Robocopy is more reliable than File Explorer for large or deep folder structures. The error, "The parameter is incorrect," happens when a system function fails because of an invalid or unexpected setting. It's important to fix it quickly to prevent data loss or hardware problems. You can try running CHKDSK using SFC and DISM, or updating your device drivers to resolve the issue. For more information, check out our official blog post on fixing this Windows 11 error linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.